So this lesson is all about translations for linear functions. This might be your first look at function transformations. So translations means that you're going to be moving the graph up, down, left, or right. But first, let me graph this function. Y-intercept's at -4, rate of change is 2. Okay, so there's the function graph. So what if I want to do f of x plus 3? So that means I'm taking the function x and I'm adding 3 to it. So this whole thing is plus 3. There's a simple way to do that. You do f of x equals 2x minus 4 plus 3, or f of x equals 2x minus 1. So let's draw that one. Y-intercept's -1. Rate of change pattern is still 2. So what happened here is I moved the graph up 3. That's a translation up by 3. What if I wanted to do f of x plus 3? Well, the 3 is inside parentheses with the x. That works a little differently. So that is f of x equals 2 times x plus 3 minus 4. Notice how this is different than what happened last time. Instead of just adding 3 to the end of the function, I'm putting a 3 inside where the x was. So it's x plus 3 now instead of just x. So I'm going to simplify this a little more to graph it. Distribute the 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is plus 6, then minus 4. So f of x equals 2x plus 2. Y-intercept is plus 2, and the rate of change pattern is still 2. Okay, so this one was moved 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so why are we learning about function translations? Well, function translations are going to be very useful in terms of helping you understand the relationship between the algebra form of a function in an equation and the graph that it represents. So this is just your very first step in doing that. And this lesson has a lot of interactive graphs. I suggest you spend some time with those so you can really start to get a feel for how these transformations work. That's the big picture.